a group of farmers have sort of realised that we've got to do something different. We can't go on the way we've been going on, depleting our soils.
I was farming, and all I was ever worried about was the animals, and I never looked at the ground. None of my forefathers ever told me to look at the ground and see what's going on there.
It's a system of moving cattle quite frequently, but getting animal interaction with the soil, getting a bit of trampling going, which is helping stimulate the soil, increasing the soil microbial activity, and just basically getting a healthier soil.
Currently what we've done is have a few animals just lightly spread over the ground, thinking that that's going to be good for the land. But what happens is the plants that are desirable never get a rest from being clipped and reclipped. What we're doing is trying to use the animals and their impacts, not only in what they eat, but what they're trampling, to get whatever doesn't go through their belly into the earth's belly, and then we're trying to allow that contact to feed the earth, help capture the water by having litter on the ground, and hold the water in by protecting it from the sunlight or protecting it from the wind, and then get the animals to a different place so that this place has plenty of time to rest and digest its meal, so to speak, and recover from that activity.
And so we've been looking at a system where I've been moving the cattle every day, running them as quite a large group, leaving what appears to be quite a lot of growth, and some people might consider it a waste. But I've been moving the animals, which gives the grass time to recover and to grow again, replenish quite quickly.
I've cut my mineral consumption by about almost 90% from when I first started. The land is getting healthier with a deeper root system, and the roots are going deeper, and we're storing more carbon in the ground.
And a healthier soil, while reducing the input costs, can actually give us good returns. It takes a bit of getting your head around why you actually increase your stocking density will actually leave you with a more productive grass. And it's something that we talk a lot about working with nature, and that is definitely working with nature, because I would defy any scientist to actually prove that theory. If you have a healthy soil, a well-managed soil, you're going to get more nutritious feed from it, and more nutritious food for human consumption.
It's good to be the leading edge, I suppose, of a sort of a change of management here in the UK. We're learning lessons from across the pond in the States, and it's certainly interesting to be in a small group communicating on the internet and at days like this, and a chance to sort of drive forward these ideas and make it work better in our environment. It's good to be involved.
What we've been able to get away with for 5,000 years is basically take advantage of all the natural capital that's been created over 5 billion years of this water and sunshine coming together, producing our coal or oil or whatever, our trees. Now man has kind of been everywhere. We have an expanding population, and we have reduced natural capital, so to speak, soil. And so now we are going to become more and more responsible for not only what we take out, but how much are we putting back in.
All I'm doing is managing chaos. I'm just working with nature and trying to head it in the right direction.